What is up, guys? Mr. Vic, Cloud Surfers, and we are back with a new video, guys. We are in the Kubus Woningen in Rotterdam. Cubicle houses, that's what it's called, guys. Check it out. So these are all apartments, right? Catch a vibe. And that's the stairway up to the apartments. Yeah, guys, it's kind of a rainy day today. So, but I just wanted you to catch a vibe of these apartments. Yeah, in Rotterdam. Yeah, guys. So, the cubicle houses. Yeah, it's a lot of tourists come here also just to, you know, catch a vibe. And it's like a whole community, a whole small community. I wonder how you feel living in one of these cubicle houses. I mean, like, how would you feel? And the question is, how much do they go for on the market, guys? Ooh, yeah. Drop some comments down below in the description if you already think you know. Alright. Catch a vibe, catch a vibe. Catch a vibe, guys. Catch a vibe. Check out these cubicle houses, guys. Oh my god. So this is one of the stairways. This is how you go up to your place. And this is like the view you get of the city. Over there you got the metro booming. I don't know what they got going on up there, but you see, so pretty touristy, you know. This little kid checking out some raindrops. Got some private seats over here. Kubus shop. Alright. We got some shop. Kubus shop. Alright, guys, hope y'all catching the vibe. So you see all Kubus. See, that's how they go in, man. You see that? And I am super stoked because a cousin of mine is literally moving into this one of these cubicle apartments, guys. Can't wait till he moves here for me to see the inside of these cubicle houses, guys. It's gonna be super cool. I'm super excited. How about you? Alright, so here's catching a vibe. Yeah, man, it's a whole community. Check it out. Got the Exodus over there in the back. You see, so it's pretty touristy too. A lot of tourists come here to, you know, take some pictures with the cubicle houses and everything. You see, you can see that one over there is for sale. Wait, look, for sale. Boom. Yeah. So that would be the question, guys. Again, how much do you think these cubicle houses go for? That is the big question. Yeah. How much, guys? Catch a vibe. Whoa. Alright, we got the Minion building over here. Markt Hall is right over there. Yeah, the Markt Hall. And as you walk here, let's check out what's going on over here. Oh, okay. Catch a vibe, guys. Alright, got the barber shop going on, real pro, like a pro. I love this. Guys, what's up? Y'all doing good? Yeah. Catch a vibe, guys. Yeah, so this is also how they look like from the outside, like here. Yeah, man. They got the G-Force barbershop going over there. Talk about a haircut for days. Ooh, yeah. Yo, I'm coming next, yeah? Yeah, for sure. No cap, bro. You gonna be here? Yeah. Dude, this is super sick. Getting my hair cut in Rotterdam. The Flex Street Barbershop. You know what it is, guys. Support the movement. You know, the guy is doing his best. Working smart. An honest day of work, guys. An honest day of work is important. You know, stay consistent. Follow your dream. Don't give up. Stay creative. Be open to new ideas. You know, because that's the whole vibe. That's it, guys. You know, you got to stay open to new ideas and catch that vibe, guys. You see, so this is how it goes here. You see that? Super cool, super cool. I am under the impression, man. So, the big question, how much do they go for these apartments? 450,000 euros. Yeah, do the math, guys, do the math. I can see them matrix numbers going in your mind like, woo, ooh, yeah. Yeah, guys, 450,000 euros. All right, drop some comments down in the description down below if you think that it is worth it. And yeah, guys, without further ado, I hope y'all like this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to smash that like button. You see there? Also, one for sale. Like, and these apartments are for sale. Ooh, yeah. Real estate booming. Yeah, it's kind of cool how that one says open. You know, like, we are open. Let's go catch a vibe in the shop, guys. Like, I was walking past the shop, but I actually forgot to go in. See what they have here. Jong geleerd, oud, jong gedaan. Yeah, alright. Yeah, catching a vibe. Yo, man, my man just invited me on the reel. What's up, guys? Everything cool?
What's up, man?
Yeah, doing cool, man.
Where you
Doing
from?
cool. I'm from Suriname, but the channel is in
Suriname?
English. So,
Yes?
I'm speaking in
Okay,
English.
okay,
Man, catch
okay.
a vibe, guys. Oh my God, I love
we're in the studio, Walker Studio.
Walker Studio, represent, guys. All right, y'all be sure to follow them on social media. They're popping right now.
It's
What are you
popping.
guys doing on TikTok? I see some TikTok things. over
Yeah,
here.
we have TikTok events. We have we have a music studio, music label.
All right, cool, man. Do y'all have a card? Maybe I can just also like put it on the channel maybe one day, like
Yes.
now, and maybe the next time we can do a part
Yeah,
two.
no problem.
Yeah, let's do that, man. Check the vibe, guys. Check out the studio. My man got the Boston Celtics looking lit.
Massive.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, man.
Oh
Appreciate it,
yeah. Loving the hat, bro.
Do you enjoy Rotterdam?
Yeah, I
Yeah?
actually recently moved here in April 2023 for work, and Rotterdam's been treating me good, man. So I'm trying to keep that positive energy going.
Yes.
Trying to keep
You are
that.
also from Rotterdam.
No.
From
I'm
Suriname, sorry.
originally from Suriname.
We also.
We also from
Oh
Suriname.
man, guys, Suriname in the building.
Fuck me, brada.
In the Kubus, fakka guys. Hey, shout out to Su. Je weet toch guys, we zijn hier strak bezig. Je ziet zelf, Su
Ja, man.
represent guys. Je weet toch? Rotterdam aan het knallen. Oh yeah.
I like your vibe, man.
Guys, man, I am literally just passing through and I am so happy that I met these guys because we are gonna do something. I don't know what yet.
Do you want a drink?
Hey man.
Yes?
For
Okay,
sure,
okay.
dude.
Yeah, toch?
My man getting me a drink,
Yes.
guys. Ooh, yeah. This is love, man. This is love. So how long you guys been doing this? Because I started the YouTube channel like a couple of months back. And the vibe is good, man.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Guys, talk
It's
about
for you,
being
man. It's for you, man.
spontaneous.
Love, only love
Yeah,
here, man. So
You see my man already busy there behind the
Yes.
screen. Already
let's
being
hear
productive.
something, man.
Let's hear something. He's gonna pull up with a good one, guys. Let's hear something. Let me get my AirPods out. You know, because in the meantime, I was listening to that Future, guys. You know, Future be lit. It's Future.
I have a preview
Alright,
of a song that's gonna come out.
Alright.
Close the door a little bit.
Alright.
Sound.
It's going down. Guys, we're gonna catch some sound vibes in the Kubus house in Rotterdam. Spontaneous moment coming to you from the Cloud Surfer channel, guys. Mr. Vic, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, man. This is what you get. Yeah. Guys, oh yeah, Suriname bringing the vibes in the beat, you see? Hey. So, guys, I love this, man. You're feeling the vibe. You see that? Oh, you made the video in Venice? Video. I can't tell you enough. I can't tell you too much, guys. But it's going down. You heard that.
It's not released yet. End of the month.
Alright.
It's coming out.
So-
DL.
End of the month, guys. You better follow these guys, showing the energy and showing the love. And you will hear more from us. This is the first video. And we're gonna end this video right now because I already got some business to talk with my boys, my national fellow men from Suriname. Shout out to this whole studio production. And we will see you in the next video, guys. Cloud Surfers,
To the
Mr.
next
Vic
episode.
signing out. Kubus in the building.